Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. Today we're going to learn the Bodywrap. The Bodywrap is a really visual move that's actually quite simple. It involves letting the whip wrap around your body, unwrapping it, and then doing a crack. It can also be done the other way, which looks like this. The most simple way to do the Bodywrap is to start by spinning the whip as if you're going to do an overhead crack. That's counterclockwise if you're right-handed, or clockwise if you're left-handed. Once you're spinning like this, bring the handle down and place it at your shoulder. Try and keep the handle a little bit away from your shoulder, maybe a foot or half a foot, because you're going to need the space to unwrap. Once you've stopped the whip in this position, you'll notice that the thong will continue and wrap around your body. Depending on the length of your whip, it might wrap around 2 or even 3 times. To unwrap, you need to go through the hole created by the handle and your arm. I bring the whip up and I duck my head through this hole and I continue the initial rotation that I had. So I'm spinning counterclockwise, I pause, it wraps, I duck through the hole and continue spinning counterclockwise. This will unwrap the whip. On a longer whip, you might need to go through the hole multiple times. So you'll duck around and then you'll duck around again to unwrap. This move is really cool and can be combined with spinning around the other way. You can use it to change hands, and lots of other tricks. It also looks really cool with a fire whip, but it's quite dangerous, so be careful. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, please check out our website at CanadaWhips.com.